What is up, everybody? It is your boy SkittleFabs. Today I'm at the shop. You guys can see I got my neon behind me and we're gonna be taking out broken bolts. I went ahead and purchased Speed Out by COBALT. I've never used them ever in my entire life, but I've heard good things about them. So we're gonna go ahead and try them out and see if they work. I got two broken bolts. You can see one right there and you can see one right there. I've never used them, but I'm going to go ahead and Dremel a small little hole with my Dremel that I got from Harbor Freight a while back. Hopefully I have what it takes to go ahead and do something in those bolts before I go ahead and take this side and drill a hole, and then I'll use the opposite side. I'm not exactly sure what size I'm going to use, but we can just look. You want it to basically go right in the middle, because when we go ahead and flip it, we're going to go ahead and drill it right in there, and what it's going to do is extract that bolt. These two last bolts are the last small little things before this gets filler primed by Jason. I'm going to go ahead and use my Dremel, which is in my car, a McCallie, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna try those out. Alright, let me get in here real quick. I want to give a shout out to my buddy Timmy, because he hates that I wear my Massachusetts SRT4 red hoodie all the time. He always sees it in my Snapchats and he's like, "Stop wearing that red hoodie, throw that shit out." So, shout out to you, dude, because I'm going to keep rocking it just for you. I got my Speed Out by COBALT. I got my Harbor Freight Chicago Electric Power Tool Dremel. And it still works. And I got a bunch of assortments, which you can see. I got the green ones, which is a nice little tip at the top. Who knows, maybe that might hold up. If not, I get that little middle piece. And I don't know, I'm just going to drill directly straight in the middle as much as I can. Or make like an X, so I can go ahead and drill directly in the middle. That bolt is pretty long back there, so I don't know. When I extract it, I might heat up the metal around it. So, don't forget to wear your eyeglasses even if you look funky. My first step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and try using one of these bits. Hopefully they stay in there. Yeah, it does. Just gonna try this. So I'm gonna start using that piece. Oh no, I say we just go for it and we just drill it out. That's what I'm thinking. Go get the drill. See if this one works. Yep, there we go. Good. Got a drill now. Ryobi. I'm gonna try this drill bit that's on it too. Just to give a starter hole, you know what I mean? So far I've gotten pretty far with this drill bit that was already on this Ryobi drill. Now we got that pilot hole done, let's go ahead and do the driver's side transmission mount hole. Alright, now we got this one right here. Give some slack. Try to center it right in the middle. Right in the middle and go slow.
Now you guys increase the speed because you already made the hole. Once you start seeing little bits of metal, just count to 30 and then you're good. Just give it medium speed, just like I am, and eventually you can give more pressure and speed with it.
You want to take a look? Made a decently good hole right there. Just enough where the speed out can actually sit and embed itself, basically. Just like this side. Where are we? Right there. That's not that bad. I got a lot further in there. I don't know. Well, let's get back into this. That metal is actually all the little metal fragments being chopped up on the sides of this drill bit. So if you guys had this issue before and you've done this, leave a comment below and what did you guys have to do? Because this side broke on me and then the passenger side was broken because of the mechanic that last worked on my car. The last mechanic that ever worked on my car. Ever since then, I've learned how to do everything else DIY, do it yourself. And that's why I bring you guys videos here and there, because I want to show you guys what I do to my neon and my caliber. I think I'm pretty good with a hole. I'm just going to drill this one a little bit more. I'm going to give you guys a look at what these holes look like. So I went ahead and drilled it probably 1/4 of an inch deep along with this one. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and take one of the speed outs that fits in that hole, and that one seems like it fits perfectly and I don't have to really worry about drilling, so I'm just gonna go ahead and flop that into the drill and I guess reverse it. Instead of drilling into it, we're gonna reverse drill into it and it's gonna pull that out, hopefully. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and heat up a round with a torch. Alright, let's go ahead and move this away. I did that to heat up the metal around the bolt, and that way it can extract a lot easier. I don't mind what the primer looks like right now. It's going to be filler primered anyways, and I gotta sand this whole thing again, clean it and all that other stuff. So I'm gonna let that cool down for a second, and I'm gonna hook this up to my drill. Reverse direction. Take out your drill bit that you used, if you used one. If you use the opposite side, that's cool. Let's just go ahead and double check my hole. Perfect hole. Clean that off a little bit. Flip it. Make sure it's in there tight, you guys. Flip your direction again. And go ahead and do this slowly, guys. Nah, this ain't gonna work as well as I thought it was gonna work. I don't know, I think I'm just gonna have to get drill bits and just keep drilling it. Ain't gonna work. So, I'm gonna go ahead and check the drill drawer and see if he has some more COBALT drill bits that are like the goldish color. Let me see if I can go find some other ones that are a little bit bigger. This, I guess, will be my next candidate size, which is 732. I ended up finishing the job. I ran out of space on my SD card, so you do see that I do have a piece of my old bolt that was seized up in there. I ended up drilling it out with regular drill bits. I think they were just all hardened drill bits, so I had no issue when it come to eating away that inside of that bolt and tearing it to shreds. And this is what it is, you guys. I have my hole, and now I gotta go ahead and re-tap and die. Same with this side. I got that side done, you guys, right down there. So now I just have to go ahead and get a tap and die set and make some new fresh threads and find some bolts that fit in there that don't wiggle around. So I thought I was gonna be using that Speed Out COBALT set, but it didn't work out as well as I planned. So, you know. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like the little quick update on what's going on with my neon. I got my caliber right out there right now. If you guys like this video, smash the like button. Until next time, guys, be easy, stay tuned,